Govinda aparita atmana. Govinda, go means Indriya, go means cows, go means bhumi, earth, go means gopis, and go means Gopal. Go means the Gopa, Krishna. So when it says the gopis' hearts were stolen by Govinda, Govinda aparita atmana. Atmana, Atma, in Sanskrit has different meanings. It means Jivatma, my very self, my existence, my being, my consciousness. And Atma means my body, what I think to be myself, what I'm operating as myself, my body. And Atma also means mind, man. It can have all these meanings. So, aparita atmana means Govinda Krishna stole the gopis' minds and bodies and hearts and everything. Now there was no turning back. Their minds were enchanted, their love for God increased, ananga vardhanam, manoharam, but still they were living within the constraints and restrictions of their houses. But now it got too much. Govinda aparita. He stole everything. Before we heard grihita manasa, that he seized their minds. That's only one aspect of Atma. Grihita manasa means he captivated and controlled their minds. But now he's taken everything. Now he's taken, and who's done that? Krishna did manoharam. Krishna enchanted them, tantalized them with his attraction and beauty. That's Krishna. But now he came as the absolute total thief. Govinda. Govinda paritatmana. He stole everything. Okay, you stole my mind, but you haven't taken me away from my house yet.